Hello people.
Hello people.
Hello people.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Prachi Kukreja, your go-to image consultant and soft skills trainer. Again, we are back with a fun video this time. Today's video is going to be about communication, but we are going to make it fun. What we basically are going to do is I am going to throw at him some corporate statements, some things that we really want to say, but we end up saying something bad. So we'll try and improve our English using this, but I want to test his skills of how well can he communicate in his corporate language so that he puts his point across very well, and at the same time it does not feel like a casual language. Are you ready?
I think so. I'm ready to see the view.
You can enjoy the view as well.
ठीक है, मैं इधर लेके बात करूँगा. Yes, ask me the question.
They have to enjoy it.
Okay.
This is for your view. हम mic लाना भूल गए. We forgot to get our mic, so please bear with the voice. Otherwise, are we ready?
Bear with her voice. My voice is very nice.
थोड़ा तेज बोलो.
My voice is very nice. Bear with her voice.
All right. Starting with the very simple one. I'm going to say the weak statements or statements which are a little unclear. You have to give me how to speak them, how to present them in a more clear and confident way. ठीक है? And it is all English. ठीक है? Sorry to bother you.
This week.
Yes, this is weak. It's actually a negative connotation to start. कि मैं पहले ही in the first place बोल रही हूँ कि I'm bothering you. So instead we have to give it like a positive connotation. कि मुझे तुमसे काम है.
Can you please excuse me with something?
Okay. Yeah, works well. Nice. इसके अलावा we could even do you have a quick minute? Yeah, I think nice, good. Proud of you.
Proud of me.
Okay, something that we all do a lot. I might be wrong, but
I might be wrong, but
I think everyday lives we do
actually,
this.
wait this second. I think I have a different opinion about it.
I think works on it.
Yeah.
But you are when we say different, when we use the word opinion, it again points out that we probably have.
You might be wrong, but okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you are absolutely correct, but I would like to add on certain things.
Yeah, and then we might not even want to agree with them. No?
Yeah, so add on and then we will take it away.
Yeah.
And then for injection. What is it? I would like to differ.
Now there is a famous.
Then you put a plan injection.
There is a famous doctor, बच्चों का doctor, Dr. Imran, and he's going to make weird noises. He's going to play 90s songs, and the kids are going to be very happy with. और distract होके वो injection लगा लेंगे. But we could say that here's what I understand. Let us validate this point. You know that I got your point. I understand. But let's validate this point, which means let me just put across my perspective. But
Validate this point.
yeah,
Why to validate that point?
don't validate it, but let's say we can only say here's what I understand.
अच्छा, here's what I understand.
कि मतलब मैं समझ चुकी हूँ तुम क्या कह रहे हो, पर एक मिनट रुक जाओ. I have a different perspective. But we should not use words like opinions और पहले ही categorize मत करो कि right wrong क्या है, what is the correct way, what is the wrong way. Decision making people can decide later, and don't use words like opinion and all of that. Sounds like a little negative or overpowering maybe. So that. All right, next one. I don't know.
My mind is not working.
No. My mind is not working.
I need to take a nap.
Something that you always say. अभी मेरे सर में दर्द हो रहा है. प्राची मेरे से बात मत कर.
Headache. Don't do headache.
Headache.
I don't need headaches in life. I don't know. I know everything. Why should I say I don't know?
You know everything.
Yeah.
Are you claiming on camera that you know everything?
Yeah. I use ChatGPT every day.
But you don't know everything.
I know, na? He's my friend. He tells me.
What is the name of your bot?
ChatGPT.
Shut up. You have to give it a name also. Now you have the
I'm
thing.
not that emotional. Sorry.
You got a BC, guys and emotions.
I said, so this is now. You don't have to categorize. You don't have to use words like opinions and perspectives, and you don't have to use words like the Oprah guys don't have opinions. Then I can also start commenting.
आपने
This is
सीधा
wrong.
बोला है कि मेरे पास नहीं है emotions.
मेरे पास नहीं है, why are you categorizing
No,
guys?
you only. You are a guy.
No, I see. But remember how your word plays with this content also.
Without I don't know.
I think I need to get back on you on
Yeah,
this.
absolutely. I'll
I'll
get back to you on this. Yes.
I knew the answer from the very start. I need to give some content and some fun. At the very first instant, I had this answer in my mind. I'm like, okay, let's make some fun video.
Undertone ठीक नहीं कर सकता कोई इंसान.
I don't see. That's why you need an image consultant.
Yes.
Exactly, guys. That's why you need an image consultant.
Yes.
Next question.
Undertone is something that is already there beneath your skin. So you just have to know what there is, and then you apply makeup. You wear colors according to that. So you don't correct
So
undertone.
guys, I knew this.
You did not know
I
this.
knew
Shah.
this because we had a discussion about it around 7 months ago. But I wanted to show you guys how smart she is. Alright, so that's why I brought it up.
How smart I am.
Yeah.
So you brought it up.
Yeah. So
Okay.
you should know. See, this is how a person makes a mistake, and this is how image consultant corrects them.
That's right. That's right.
That's right.
That's
So
right.
next question.
I guess this might work.
I think we should give it a try.
Okay. So when we say I guess, I think, they're not as powerful
We
terms
should
to
definitely
start.
give it a try.
Then you are imposing it on them कि करके ही रहना है. So we have to be like, this is my point. Now how will you say that? It's just saying कि मुझे लगता है ऐसा होना चाहिए. Guess work तो नहीं होना चाहिए, think work भी नहीं होना चाहिए.
In this particular scenario, this option can work well.
आप पढ़ के आए होगे कुछ.
हाँ पूरा पढ़ा भी तो कर रहा था. So
कहाँ से सीख के आए हो सब?
I'm a double qualified PhD doctorate from University of Warwick.
You also have corporate experience, right?
Yeah, in German.
In Germany. Yeah, so basically you have to be sure about what you are saying, but you cannot impose it on people. Nor can you say that I'm unsure, so you don't do any guesswork, you don't do any think work. So you can say like, this is why I think this approach is going to work, blah blah blah, whatever the reason is. So that. Good job.
मेरे पैसे नहीं आए कल वाले लास्ट वीडियो के तक. जॉब से कुछ नहीं होगा. I need to be paid in full, not in kind.
Okay. This also we do a lot now, maybe not in corporates, but casually also we do a lot, like semi-casually. This may sound stupid, but
You never say stupid.
you never say stupid. That's
But-
right. Is stupid.
Have you tried looking at page number 79 and then thinking thinking of the way that the author was talking about? Have you tried that? Yeah, you're right. That's how it should be, I think.
I mean, that's right. So you basically have to validate other person's feelings. So, okay, probably like, hey, I really love your thoughts. That's an interesting take. But here's another idea. Or something like he mentioned, have a conversation. Never use words like stupid. Point being, never demean yourselves in the first place.
Yourselves.
Yes.
Or do you mean the other person?
Yourself only. To start off with, you cannot say I think, I guess. Don't do any guesswork. To feel confident in yourself, first start with feeling confident with the words that you're speaking. So this is going to give a indirect first impression to the other person that these people are valuing themselves. So yeah, they know their shit like that. Oh, this also girls do a lot. Sorry, I talk too much. ...
Sorry, I talk too much.
Mid conversation, they are going to be like, "Oh my God, I'm so sorry, I talk too much."
I talk too much.
Oh,
Hey, honey pie.
honey.
I have a lot of ideas on how things should be.
Yeah, or basically any of these. So I like to share a lot.
Yeah.
It was a fun conversation with you, but you can also just say thank you so much for listening. I always have a lot to share. So you just
Yeah.
validate the other person ki you gave that they gave you their time. So
Thank you for your time, darling.
like that.
Actually, I'm very expressive. Can we have some tea? I want to express more.
6 p.m. sharp. Oh, guys, watch out. Girls, you too.
People,
People,
watch out.
I'll try to be on time.
I'll be there at 6 p.m. considering all the
Fab, bhai, fab.
considering all the traffic variations that are present in Delhi.
Yeah, so you basically have to.
Then it's not my fault. It's Delhi's fault.
No. So this is not an add-on statement, but you just always have to say. It's just say I'll try. You have to give them a time. That believe me, I'll be there at this moment. So if you give like.
Also give some disclaimer that depending on don't take the blame on yourself.
Never take the blame.
Yeah,
Very
like
good.
that guy. Man, to kiya hi nahi? It was AI.
Oh, yeah, this we do a lot in boardrooms, in meetings, or even when in a group of people, we just say, I just feel like, I just feel like, how can we replace that to sound more powerful, like a more positive tone of the statement, more assertive.
More assertive,
Yeah.
dominating.
Probably because feel is not a bad thing to do. Like guessing and thinking, all that might get a little less assertive. Feeling is not as bad, but the problem gets in when you are in a corporate setup, when you have a lot of people and you really have to put your best foot forward.
So if you want to say I feel like having tea, yeah, I feel like.
No. So that is what I'm saying. It's a more
So
formal line.
No. So if you say, give me an example. If I
So
feel
okay,
like going to.
I just feel like this won't work.
Acha.
I just
Acha,
feel
so
like
I'll
this
give you- I'll-
training plan
okay,
is not
okay.
going to work.
Okay. Good morning, directors. Good morning, directors. I wish to take the proposal to forward because I feel that point A, B, C are particularly very good and they are going to benefit our clients in the longer run. On the other hand, proposal A can be considered and there are certain things that we need to work on that. But I really wish to proceed ahead with proposal B.
4 words and he gives me a paragraph of 4 lines.
This is how you be diplomatic.
No, so
This is how you increase minutes of the meeting. You have been working very hard.
no, but it is also very important to cut your words short and put your point across quickly when there
So
is
I
a
wish to go with proposal B. Replace fail with I wish.
okay. Doesn't work like that. So if you are in a setup where you know that you are not the highest authority, but you still want to put your point across, so instead of saying I feel, the point with feelings is that it gets softer, right? So there's less authority, less assertiveness in that particular phrase per se, right? So what you can instead do is say, I would like to highlight that proposal B is going to harm our clients this way, or I think proposal A is going to benefit us better this way, that way. So when you highlight things, there is no feelings involved, or there is nothing as powerful, assertive, not assertive, like
Very
that.
nice.
Okay, yes. This also we do a lot. You probably already know this, but I thought I think you probably already know this. You probably already know this. ये तो आपको पता ही होगा, लेकिन मैं एक बार फिर बता देता हूँ.
अच्छा.
Like that.
This is the one.
मतलब we already put it across that the people around us are already so learned, everybody knows everything, and we are just stating an obvious fact, we're just stating an information probably everybody around us already knows. So how do you say that in a more assertive way, not to consider that or assume what people around you already know.
Just put the already out of the picture.
Yeah.
Just say the second part.
So you probably know this is correct. Yes.
Put it out of the picture now.
You probably already know this.
Why should I assume you would know or not?
Okay. But if okay, practically that's correct. So he's saying just start with your paragraph. Don't start with this.
You know
line.
or not?
You don't know or you know. or
I
you
went to this place and it's quite popular around. I think we should check it out. Oh, I have been to. Yeah, you've been to. Let's go again.
Yeah. Or in a more formal setup, you can also use words like reinforce, highlight, like we spoke about. So to reinforce the point, probably a lot of times happens that somebody in the room has already addressed that point, say 7 minutes back, 5 minutes back, but it is somewhere related to what you are going to say. So you have to repeat it. So instead of saying you probably already know this, you just say that to reinforce the point and then take it forward from there. So a little, you have to replace some words to sound and be to have a better presence. That is the trick for confident communication. Okay. Again something we always do to ourselves. I am no expert in this, but
Why I'm not expert in this?
you shut up only. If you're not an expert in something, how will you put it up?
Acha, well, I want to say that
You are
knowledge
not an
nahi
expert.
hai. I have to say that.
Yes, you have to tell people that
My knowledge in the subject is a bit limited, but
okay, now why to use the word limited, na? Again, bringing yourself down.
I'm
you
still
could-
learning on the subject, but
Or you could say based on my knowledge
experience-
and learning.
No, based
yes.
on my knowledge.
So try replace some words which have a lower presence and power. Just that. Okay. I don't mean to brag, but
I don't mean to brag.
I don't mean to brag.
I think more of his statements are more than that. These statements, I think, have philosophical issues.
Okay.
People who are feeling underconfident, people who are feeling
But we do that all the
limited.
time.
Yeah,
See, that is a
so
true
it's
story.
not about just correcting the statements. It's more about also changing the thought process. That's sort of.
Thank you so much for throwing light on that.
So basically, then what will happen is then statements will flow automatically from their minds.
Okay, so
Once you change the mindset, you don't have to enter confidence. Your knowledge is not limited. You're learning. So it's a
see the
philosophical
words.
issue.
See the way we think, the way
So
we
that's a
talk to
philosophy.
ourselves internally
That's philosophy.
affects our confidence. Now we do that
No,
internal
no.
talk. 1 minute. What minute? Okay, so
You have to listen from the more Dalai Lama. The Dalai Lama has to speak.
how you think about yourself is what we call internal talk, right? So what is the value you have for yourself? That is what I'm trying to say. Now that self-talk which we do to ourselves, and then that naturally as a conscious reflex comes out in public that I'm not an expert, I don't wish to brag. So to have that mindset, you also need to train yourself in other various ways also, which is through confident communication, usage of better words also. So that is one way to go about it. It's a small contribution to having that Dalai Lama mindset. A little more formal now. I'll try my best to deliver.
I'll deliver.
Yeah, so the sentence was I'll try my best. So instead of saying try, it's better to like give a little clarity, give a little timestamp,
Yeah.
and not sound confused. So instead, you could just say that I'm committed to delivering this on time, or say will present it by EOD. So give some stipulation of time instead of just leaving it vague and out there for people to just discuss and judge. Okay. I think I can do that.
I think I can do that.
Yeah.
Trust me, I'll definitely get it.
Yeah, or trust me, I can handle this. Again, a few just replacement of those few vague words with a little more powerful words is all that we are trying to do. So that was it for today's video. What did you learn out of this video?
Everything in life is a philosophy. Philosophy is not only inwards.
Yes.
Philosophy is also outwards.
That's true.
How you perceive the world is actually how you perceive yourself.
Yourself. So how the world perceives you is how you perceive yourself.
So it's not just about self-talk, but it's also about understanding what other people are going through. When you are in corporate, when you are working, you need to have compassion for other people. You need to understand what is their thought process. Why?
क्योंकि ये स्टोरी लाइन नहीं है वीडियो की.
स्टोरी लाइन ठीक कर रहा हूँ ना, मुझे तो समझने की बात करूँ, समझ लो. Philosophy is not only inward.
तेज बोलो भैया, आवाज नहीं है.
So I learned that everything is a philosophy here. So it's not just about self-talk, but it's also about our environment and people. So we also need to understand what's going inside that person's head to understand what they want. So I think in that sense as well, you'll understand that they are themselves not confident. I learned that everything is a philosophy here. So it's not just about self-talk, but it's also about our environment and people. So we also need to understand what's going inside that person's head to understand what they want. So I think in that sense as well, you'll understand that they are themselves not confident, or they themselves are, feeling that this thing needs to be done, otherwise so you just need to show them some trust that I can do it. So it's a two-way thing. It's not just what you think of yourself, but it's also understanding the world around you, and I think that's how
We can make it a better place.
Internal talk can work better then, because you also understand that the other person also going through the same thing.
Yeah. So just a little clarity, just a little positivity, even in terms of the tonality and the words you are using, kind of makes a huge difference on how you see yourself, and also how people are perceiving you, or how is that image going out externally. So all of this all of these small words are going to compound and give you better results for whatever you're trying to achieve. And that is how we say a person is really confident. This is how a person really is. Just a replacement of a few words. Don't think, you don't try, you are sure of something. And it's also like manifestation, right? This is also what we talk about, that when you speak positive, something positive is going to happen. So think of it as manifestation maybe.
Hey, if you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. Keep following for more tips on appearance, behavior and communication. And you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe. I promise to add value. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.